Hey guys, I'm Bob. Welcome to the Math channel. And first thing I want to say is thank you guys for the support. I already changed my channel into this channel called the Excel Math, which consists of Excel tips as well as math help that includes calculations. And today I'm going to talk about what? CASIO fx570ms. All right. You know, doing statistical calculation using this calculator, dealing with normal distribution. So basically what we are doing is we want to determine the z-values of 40 and the normal probability distribution when x is equal to 40 given the four data 36, 42, 41, 39. So based on this data we are going to form a probability, a normal distribution, and from there itself we will determine what is the z-value, okay, and the probability based on that. So first thing, in your calculator itself, if you look at this calculator, what you have to do is to press mode, okay, and then press mode again, and then press this SD, which is number one. Just press number one. So after you press number one, the calculator is in the standard deviation mode. So when it is in the standard deviation mode, so this m plus down here will work as dt. So what this dt is very important is because the next thing we're going to do is to include the data in. So we basically include the four data which is in the question itself is 36, 42, 41, and 39. So what you do is that you type 36 and then press this button, okay, and then you do so for the rest of the three numbers, right? 41 and press this number, 39 and then press this button, okay, after which you are done. All right. After which, what you are going to do is you want to find out what is the z-value for x is equals to 40. All right, so in order to do so, first thing you have to do is to press 40, or you type 40, and then the next thing you have to do, okay, is that you press shift and you see this particular thing called the dist3, okay, that represents the distribution function, and if you were to click on that, you'll be able to see this four options. So basically the four options for this option number one is just taking the region, right, starting from the left tail. For the third option, it starts from the right tail, and for Q it starts from two values, calculates the region that's in between the two values, and last but not least, this T itself represents the Z value starting from the left tail. So in order to calculate the Z values, I just press 4, okay. So this means that I want to find the z values of 40, and then I just press equal. So the z values of 40 is 0.21. So if I write down here z value, okay, of 40 is equals to 0.21. all right, 8. Okay, so to find out, okay, the probability that this x itself, okay, is equals to 40, let's call this x lah, huh? So how do we calculate using this calculator is that, okay, we have to go back to the same function by using shift and this tree again, and we'll get back to this function. All right, the next thing that we have to do is to press P, which is number one. Just press number one, and this is the one that we will put, okay. All right, so this answer, when we calculate this answer itself, that this will becomes the probability that x equals to 40 starting from, okay, the left tail itself. If we were to draw this graph itself, okay, so this will be the center, z value is equal to 0, so it will be this is probably the z value that is equals to 0.218. okay, and the probability is definitely more than 0.5. okay, it's based on this shaded region down here. Okay, so based on this shaded region down here, the probability is about 0.58. So I hope that you will be able to know how to use this fx570ms after I have educate you on how to actually use it to determine the z value as well as the probability of a particular value. If you have any questions, you can drop by comments in the comment section below. I'm Bob signing off from here. Thank you guys for watching, and do continue to support to this channel by subscribing, and maybe you can support me through the Patreon page or whatsoever. Thank you guys for watching. I'm signing off from here. I will see you guys in the next video.